Check out how the 5-in-1 reflector can make a difference in your photos. A 5-in-1 reflector is a portable tool with various surfaces that helps you control and manipulate light. Here is a photo without the reflector being used, only natural light with some fill from a strobe. The silver reflector is excellent for adding a crisp, bright fill light. In this scenario, it is placed underneath the subject to fill in any shadows and provide more even lighting to the subject. The black surface serves a different purpose. Instead of reflecting light, it absorbs it, blocking unwanted light or creating shadows. This can help you add contrast, depth, and dimension to your photos. The gold reflector adds a warm, golden glow to your subject, making it ideal for fashion and beauty photography. The white surface is your go-to for a softer fill light. Unlike the silver reflector, the white surface diffuses light. It's perfect for when you want to maintain a natural appearance without harsh contrasts. Finally, the diffuser. This is used for softening harsh light and reducing its intensity. Place it between your light source and your subject to create a soft light that wraps around your subject. Ideal for outdoor shoots in direct sunlight or for taming strong studio lights. Remember, experimentation is key to improving your lighting and discovering the best way a reflector can work for you.